everyone. The graph of the velocity of a particle moving on the x-axis is given. The particle starts at x equals 2 when t equals 0. We're going to find where the particle is at the end of the trip, find the total distance traveled by the particle. Here's your graph. So it's kind of small there, but we have the graph. So basically what we need to know is that your final position, which is A, where the particle is at the end of the trip, is starting at 2. So it's going to be 2 plus the integral of 0 to 10, because we're starting from 0 to 10, according to our graph, of the velocity of t, dt. All right. For us, all we have to do is look at this and break it up. And remember, this is just your area under the curve. So for the first piece, we have this triangle. Remember, the area of a triangle is base 1/2 base times height. So this is going to give us 2 plus 1/2 base times height. So that's this piece here. Now the next triangle is right in here. Let's do that in red. So looking at that piece, that's going to equal plus, since it's below the x-axis, let's make that minus. If it's below the x-axis, it's going to be minus 1/2 1 times 3. All right. The next one we're going to do is, let's do this in yellow. This is a rectangle. So that's just length times width. So we're going to just go, and it's below, so we're going to do minus 3 times 3 for that piece. Then we have another triangle here, just like this one. So that's one's going to be minus 1/2 1 times 3 again. And then we finally have this upper triangle here. And so for this triangle, that's going to be plus 1/2, and it's 3 by 3, so 3 times 3. Now this is going to equal at, when you add all this up, you're going to get equals negative 2.5. So it ends at x equals negative 2.5. Now, the distance is going to be the same thing, basically, that we wrote here, and I'm telling you that here, except there's not going to be any negatives. The reason there's negatives here is because we're looking at below the x-axis. But for distance, we're just adding up all the pieces. So let's do that. We're going to do the distance now. That's equals the integral from 0 to 10 of absolute value of v of t dt. All right, so from there, we're just going to do everything we did before and write all that out. So we have 1/2 times 2 times 3 plus 1/2 times 1 times 3 plus 3 times 3. Again, I'm just adding the different geometric shapes, their areas up, and then plus 1/2 times 3. All right, now this is going to give you 19.5. I probably left this off, but this is in meters. So let's go ahead and write meters here. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.